My top choices for best Incoterms for exporters. Let's begin with the FCA or free carrier. This versatile option works for all transportation modes. It involves delivering cargo to the buyer's chosen carrier while covering costs and risks until the carrier takes possession. FCA offers simplicity and reduced responsibilities. Next, CPT and CIP. CPT or Carriage Pay To and CIP, Carriage and Insurance Pay To, cater to various transport modes. CPT places transport costs on the seller to the destination, with the risk transferring upon handover to the carrier. CIP goes a step further, adding insurance responsibility for the seller. These options strike a balance between competitive pricing and risk management, enabling you as an exporter to efficiently control shipping costs. Now, let's explore DIP, Deliver at Place. This versatile choice is applicable across transport modes. The seller makes goods available at the buyer's location, though unloading, customs duties, and taxes fall to the buyer. Renowned for excellent customer service and cost competitiveness, the DIP requires strategic planning for successful customs clearance. As you consider these options, remember that each Incoterm presents its own benefits and considerations. The ideal choice depends on your experience, cargo type, and desired control level. Whether it's FCA, CPT, CIP, or DIP, grasping these Incoterms equips you to confidently navigate the intricate global trade landscape.